Hey guys, welcome back. A question we get asked all the time is how do you take a rusty, old, beat up container and make it so beautiful? And in this video, I'm gonna give you the 3 things that we do to make every container look amazing. You're gonna wanna stay to the very end. You're not gonna wanna miss this. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do to make your home look beautiful is go with some nice flooring. Now in this unit, we went with a laminate flooring. We do recommend a thicker laminate versus something like a vinyl floor because it is more durable. This particular floor is water resistant and flows all the way into the bathroom, which looks really nice. And in here, we went with a little bit of a rustic tone. It pops off nice with the white. A lot of times in our units, we'll also go with more of a blonde colored flooring or a lighter gray. The next things you can do to elevate your design is to upgrade your kitchen area. So typically in our units, we'll use a butcher block countertop, which does look really nice and is really affordable. But in this unit, we did upgrade it to quartz, a nice white sparkled quartz. We've done other units with a nice black or a slate gray. All of this gives it a much richer feel and richer look. Now, as well in this unit, you can see we did upgraded fixtures. So right here we have the matte black kitchen faucet. It's a great upgrade from going with something that's either chrome or brushed nickel, as it does give it a little bit more of a modern feel. And then lastly, this kitchen sink is actually a black kitchen sink. You don't see this too often, and anytime you can do something that differentiates your design from others, it adds a lot more value and gives it a more beautiful aesthetic. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. We have a few new products that I just want to share with you. The first is our DIY Container Home Starter Course. This is for anyone that is kind of in the entry-level stages of building a container home, or you're just considering building a home. It's going to equip you with all the knowledge you need to be successful as you navigate land use, permitting, and even those initial build steps. Now, for those of you that you're ready to go to that next level, we have a product called the Container Home Builder Masterclass. And in that product, we go over all the ins and outs of the actual construction process for a container home. This is going to equip you throughout that entire build process so that you can build your own. And then lastly, we have our plan sets available. So if you love our models, you're going to want to check those out as well. And all this information is available via the link in the description below. Now back to the video. The last thing that you can do to elevate your design is to incorporate wood elements on your exterior. The benefit of incorporating wood on the exterior is that it breaks up that steel industrial look and gives it a more residential feel. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. For more information about how to build your own container home, go ahead and click the link in the description below for a free training that we want to offer you. And if you're interested in learning more about the models that we offer, go ahead and visit us online at our website at alternativeliving spaces.com, and I'll catch you in the next video.